Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check an Apple gift card balance. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you either have a physical gift card that somebody gave to you, or you might have an email with a gift card number, there are a couple different ways that we can check it, either with redeeming it and adding it to your account, or without redeeming it if you just want to see the balance but not add it to your Apple account. Now, if you have an iPhone on you, you can tap on the App Store icon at the very top here. Oh, let me get out of here. To be able to redeem that, keep in mind this redeems it and adds it to your account. If you don't want to redeem it, you'll want to walk through this second option. You can tap on the profile at the very top right, and then you'll be able to see redeem a gift card code. You can tap on it and it says redeem that code. I can either use the camera and then just put that code right in front of there, or I can hit enter code details manually. You'll need that code detail. Basically, it usually is like a 16-digit number. There might be a PIN number also associated with that. So just enter that in and you will have added it to your Apple account. Keep in mind, after you add that Apple gift card, you can use it on physical products like a Mac, an iPhone, EarPods, or you can also use it on digital products like subscriptions or in-app purchases, all of those. Now, let's hop out of here and let's say you don't actually want to redeem it. You just wanted to check the balance. What you're going to go to is a different website that allows you to check that balance by just entering in the gift card PIN. Now, to be able to access this, you can either go to store.apple.com/shop/gift card/balance. Or if you don't necessarily want to type that all out, you can just type in Apple gift card. Now, once you're on the Apple gift card website, you can see right here, just tap on it. Make sure that you are not on any other website that doesn't say apple.com. Keep in mind, if you're on a third-party website that is not apple.com, they could steal that information and use your gift card. At the very top right, you can see buy, but let's tap the drop-down arrow instead, and then just hit check balance instead of redeem. If you wanted to check redeem, you can just log in and add it to your balance. However, in this case, we're just going to check the balance. So enter in that gift card PIN number on here. If you can't find that PIN or are having any issues, you can hit the learn more and it will show you kind of where it is on the physical gift cards. And keep in mind, if you wanted to, you can always just call 1-800-MY-APPLE and ask them for help checking that gift card balance. Or, of course, if you're close to an Apple store, you can physically bring it into an Apple store and say, hey, would you mind helping me check the balance of this gift card and seeing if you wanted to add it to your account or not. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.